Welcome back to the Design Guy. Ready to combine ChatGPT's creativity with Canva's style for stunning designs? Go to canva.com and click the Create button. Select Custom Size from the options. Enter 500 by 500 pixels for your design dimensions. Then click the Create New Design button to open a new blank canvas at those settings. Create your design first, then navigate to chatgpt.com in your browser. In the chat box, type a prompt like List 10 famous movies, or request 26 movie titles as an example. You're free to use any topic you prefer. For demonstration purposes in this tutorial, I'll use the movie titles option to continue to the next step. Now that we have the results from the sample, the next step is to copy and paste this information into your Canva design. Simply select the text or data you want, copy it, and then paste it onto your Canva workspace. Make sure the content is properly placed and formatted to match your design. This allows you to integrate the results seamlessly and move forward to the next stage of your project. This is an example. Next, select the element you want to change. Adjust its size by clicking and dragging the corners until you reach the desired dimensions. Release to apply the new size. To increase the size of the header, first select the header text. Next, go to the formatting toolbar at the top of the screen. Click on the font size drop-down menu, then choose a larger size. The header will update to reflect the new size. Change the multiplication sign, represented by the letter X, to the word AND. Start by locating the X sign in your text or equation. Click or tap on the X to select it. Once selected, delete the X and type in the word AND in its place. Review your text to make sure that all the X signs have been successfully changed to AND. To add limits, start by selecting the graphics you want to work with. This could be any element in your project, such as lines, shapes, or icons that you want to control or restrict in some way. Once you've selected the graphics, look for the Limit option in the Property or Settings panel. Click on the Limit option to open the configuration menu. Here, you can specify the type of limit you want to add. For example, you can set minimum and maximum values, restrict movement within certain boundaries, or even lock certain properties like rotation or scaling. Type in the values or use the provided sliders to adjust the limits according to your needs. If you want to apply limits to multiple graphics, repeat these steps for each one, or use the multi-select feature if your software supports it. After setting your desired limits, review your selections to ensure everything is configured correctly. When finished, confirm your changes by clicking Apply or OK. Your graphics are now constrained by the limits you set, allowing for controlled interaction or modification. This is especially useful for maintaining consistent designs or ensuring elements stay within specific guidelines throughout your project. Once you're satisfied with your design, proceed to sharing or exporting it. Click the Share button located at the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear with various options for saving and exporting your work. To save your design as an image, select the Download option and then choose PNG as the file type. PNG format is ideal if you want a high-quality digital version to use online, send via email, or share on social media. If you plan to print the design or need a printable file, choose PDF Print from the File Type dropdown. PDF Print provides a high-resolution file suitable for professional or at-home printing. After selecting your preferred file type, click the Download button. The file will be saved to your computer's default Downloads folder. This allows you to easily access, share, or print your finished design wherever you need. Remember to always check your download to confirm the design appears as expected. You just learned how to level up your designs using ChatGPT and Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.